This short class will look at variance analysis, and as you can see from the screen, I'm going to model this on an Excel spreadsheet. Spreadsheets are particularly useful in the case of large and sophisticated accounts, but we're actually going to use this to quite a short one, just to illustrate how variance analysis may be done. It's very straightforward, very easy exercise, but you know, worth doing nonetheless. So we'll start with an account. We have staff costs, capital costs and production costs, and you can see under staff costs we have the marketing manager, the assisting marketing manager, marketing secretary and so on. For those of you who are astute, you'll realize I've used this example in a separate video, but not using the spreadsheet as I'm doing here, just using it as images on a PowerPoint presentation. So here is our variance analysis. We have January, February and March, so we're going to have budgeted figures for January, February and March. We have the first quarter budget, which is just January plus February plus March, first quarter. Then we have the first quarter actual and then the variance at the end. And that will be done for each of the items in the budget. So we start with the marketing manager. I'm going to put the cursor onto the screen. There you go. We have 2,000 here, plus 2,000 plus 2,000 equals 6,000. So if we look at the cell above, we have 2,000 up here. And again, click on here, 2,000, 2,000. And the 6 is the sum of C4 to E4. Well, C4 to E4. So we're adding up that across there. That's the sum. Then we've got the actual, which is just the 6,000. And here is the sum of F4, that's F4 there, minus G4. So it's the budgeted figure less the actual figure, which is in this case 0. Sorry, I just moved that. Ooh. It's got a bit out of control. Now if we fill out the budget completely, we may find something like this. So we've got, let's say here we've got 1,000 for the marketing secretary, 1,000, 1,000. The budget is 3,000. There's no marketing secretary, so there's no actual outgoing. So in this case it's F6 minus G6. F6, the budget, minus the actual G6, which is 3,000. 3,000 minus 0. And the 3,000 down here is just the sum of F7 to minus G7. Sorry, F7, which is here, minus G7. And as a matter of interest, the G7 is just adding up G4 to G6. So it's the sum of G4 colon G6. Likewise over here it'll be the sum of C7 to E7. So E7, C7. So yeah, adding up those three over there to get that. And this one here, it'll be C6 to E6, giving us that. So that's how we would use a spreadsheet to work out the variance. The variance is this column here. And if it's over an overspend, say a negative figure like this one, then that needs to be investigated. Here is quite a significant overspend, 3,350. Well, that needs to be investigated by management to see if it can be rectified in the next time period. Perhaps costs brought down, or some sort of renegotiation of costs, or alternatively perhaps it's just a case that the budget was wrong in the first place. But certainly it needs to be looked at by management to see if something can be done about it. That's all we're going to do in here, so thank you for watching. I keep pulling the spreadsheet in the wrong direction, but thank you for watching, and that concludes this very straightforward exercise, just using a simple spreadsheet to work out variance analysis. Thank you.